Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. In this video we will be looking at how we will create our Android build so we can use it for the automation. In the previous video we have completed what we need to do to set up our Flutter project, what we need to edit and modify to make sure that our Flutter project will be able to work with Appium so that Appium can interact with the elements. So in this video we'll go ahead and set up our build. It is important to say that all the builds, like before, would all stay in the build repository. It will stay in the build folder rather, not a repository. It will stay in the build folder just as it was before. So in order to do that of Android, we need to first navigate to Android. The Android folder would navigate there, and we will use this command. This particular command, we hit enter and it begins to build. There is no need for you to worry because this same command, you will find it in the documentation I mentioned previously. You will find it here. You build the Android app. The only way to build that is you have to first get into the Android folder and you will run this command and it will do that for you. So let's see if it's done. Still evaluating. So it might take some time. Let's just wait for it. Yeah, it's making progress, and probably under a minute or at most 2 it should be done. You can see it's gathering momentum. It's the configuration is at 63%. Now it is executing. So it is also important to mention that when you are building that of Android, all you just need to do is build an APK. Whether you want to use it on an emulator or on a real device, you just build the APK. And this is why, because it is after you've built the APK, you can either install it on your emulator or you will install it on your real device. But for iOS, it is a different thing entirely. There is a separate command to build for a real device, and there is a separate command to build for a simulator. In the next video, we will see that, but let's just see this through and see that we can actually have a debug app that we are going to use for the test. Now, executing is almost done, so we should be getting to the end of it. Now, the build is successful. So let us check the build folder and see what we have. You can see that it has been populated with this. And if you open app and go to outputs, we can see the Flutter APK. This is the one that we need. So we are good to go. And that brings us to the end of the video because we've been able to build this successfully. I don't want each video to be too bulky. So in the next video, I will do the same thing for iOS, and we'll see how that works out. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.